Let's return to our watershed model to see how our streams and lakes can be affected by non-point source pollution. Zooming in, we have used color so the pollution in the lake is evident, but where is the pollution coming from this time? Let's take some new water samples to help us identify the pollution source. First, let's take a sample from the lake. This one tests positive for the pollutant. Several other samples around the lake also indicate the presence of the pollutant. And if we take samples from tributary streams, again, we continue to find significant concentrations of the pollutant. So where is the pollution coming from? It's really difficult to tell. There's not one specific discrete source that you can point to, thus the name non-point source pollution. Instead of a single discharge point like a pipe, non-point source pollution originates from many areas across the landscape. There are many types of pollutants that come from non-point sources, and nutrients are a prime example. If we look closer at the urban areas of the model, excessive nitrogen and phosphorus in streams may stem from fertilizers applied to home lawns or turf areas in parks, ball fields, and golf courses. When it rains, nutrients that have been applied in excess of what plants can take up, or fertilizer granules on driveways and sidewalks, can be washed into the nearest creek, stream, or storm drain. Likewise, in agricultural areas, excessive nutrient applications applied to pastures or cropland can also result in nutrient runoff. Non-point source pollution occurs when pollutants are introduced into the environment across the landscape in different places at different times. Other sources of potential non-point pollution include litter, pet waste, oil and gas from leaking vehicles, pesticide applications, and soil erosion and sedimentation. Following this book, you can check your understanding by completing the point versus non-point source pollution activity.